There are many ways to classify animals. First, by distinguishing them vertebrate versus invertebrate. That is, animals with backbone and animals without backbone. Then you will learn animal classifications such as mammal, bird, fish, reptile, amphibian, and arthropod. And that is our focus for our Science Tidbits episode 5. We will classify animals into groups based on their features.
A fish is an animal which lives and breathes in water. Most fish have skeleton made from bone, just like amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. But sharks and rays have skeletons made of softer, rubbery substance called cartilage. A fish flaps its tail to swim through water. Instead of legs, they have fins to help them stay upright and steer. Insects are invertebrates, which means they have no backbone. Insects have 6 legs, antennae, and 3 parts to their body: head, thorax, and abdomen. There are between 6 and 10 million different types of insects. They can eat plants, other animals, and even blood. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates and are the only animals with feathers. Although all birds have wings, a few species can't fly. A mammal is an animal that breathes air, has a backbone, and grows hair at some point during its life. In addition, all female mammals have glands that can produce milk. Mammals are among the most intelligent of all living creatures. Mammals include a wide variety of animals, from cats to humans to whales. Amphibians are animals that live on land and in water. Amphibian comes from two Greek words amphi and bio. Amphi means both, bio means life. Amphibians are members of the class Amphibia. Some examples are frogs, salamanders, caecilians. They are four-legged vertebrates which are cold-blooded. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates. They have dry skin covered with scales or bony blades and usually lay soft-shelled eggs. A zoo is a place where animals live in captivity and are put on display for people to view. The word zoo is short for zoological park. Zoos contain wide varieties of animals that are native to all parts of the earth. The first zoos were created as private collections by the wealthy to show their power. These private collections were called menageries. Wool carvings found in Egypt and Mesopotamia are evidence that rulers and aristocrats created menageries as early as 2500 BC. They left records of expeditions to distant places to bring back exotic animals such as giraffes, elephants, bears, dolphins, and birds. The first modern zoo, built in 1793, opened in Paris, France. The menageries of French aristocrats, including the king and queen, were taken by leaders of the French Revolution and relocated to Menagerie du Jardin des Plantes. The facility is still a busy and popular zoo in downtown Paris.
things I learned today. One is menagerie, that's another term for zoo, and another one is the first modern zoo in the world, which is located in Paris, called Menagerie du Jardin des Plantes. Honestly, I had a hard time pronouncing the words, but practice makes perfect. And that concludes our science tidbits for today. This is your host, Mr. Louis. What? Do I have to say it? And that concludes our science tidbits. This is your host, Mr. Louis, in the house!